Welcome back to Frog on the Clock. Today we're gonna take a look at the new Barbie signature Keith Haring doll. And I was so excited when this doll finally arrived. I think the doll packaging already looks amazing. At the back of the box you can see a picture of the artist and get some information about him. But now let's get her out of the box. And here she is. Doesn't she look amazing? She has long blonde hair with caramel highlights that she wears up in a high ponytail. And I really like that her hair is twisted. She has green eyes, pink, purple and turquoise eyeshadow, wears a pink lipstick, and silver hoop earrings featuring Haring's Radiant Baby. I just love her outfit. I think it looks amazing. Haring's Radiant Baby is featured on her black off-the-shoulder sweatshirt with a turquoise mesh shirt underneath. And these are two separate pieces. On her pink pants are Haring's dancing figures and a black belt is attached to it. The shirt velcro at the back and the pants have a button at the back. And she completes her look with a metallic boombox purse, colorful bracelets, black fingernails, red sunglasses and amazing white stiletto boots. She is articulated with movement at the head, shoulders, elbow, wrist, hip and knee. I think she looks amazing and I'm so happy to add her to my collection. Let us know what you think in the comment box below. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and follow us on Instagram at FrogOnTheClock. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.